Hey guys, welcome back to another Battle Cats video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I've progressed over time. I've just mainly been getting Uber carried by the new, well, not new. I've driven her a few times, but other than that, Missoula. She is one of the best Ubers you can get carried by in Battle Cats. I beat every stage up to that. Gotta grab some more treasures. I'm on this stage. I'll try this stage. Okay. I'll throw you there. I got this ancient egg, dark egg. Did that. I got Holy Valkyrie, Grace Bahamut, Uru and Wolf. Crap, what else did I put in here? I was putting Catch the Star. If you hear soup noodles in the background, that's because I was just watching it. I guess I'll put this guy in, I guess. Sure, I'll put an egg in animation. Alright, let's try this stage, guys, and see if I can beat it. If not, I'll just be playing some different stages. Doesn't look so hard off the bat. Recommended to get this guy. He's really good for... He's not like that good for freezing, but he's just a good unit in general. Oh, this stage looks like it's take me a while to beat, since I don't have that kind of special things. Oh, my phone's dying. It's not that bad. I got 1,000 cat food. I've not spent a single dollar on this account. I'll just go through and show you all my cats. Yes. Here, I'll go through the good cats that I have. I got Chill Cat, Thor Cat, Captain Cat, Monk Cat, Sources Cat, Sword, Commando, Lumber Cat, Heavyweight Cat, Rover, Flamenco, Sufu Cat, aka Shigong, Gross Coyote Cat, Madam King, Office Lady, Slug Cat, this guy, Parajumper, and these four from the new thing. What's the one these right? Still so much pain. Yes. My next user reward, I don't know what that is. It should be. Oh, a rare ticket. These are the events on right now. If you have a bunch of rare tickets, don't use it on this one. the blue one's better because the 9th angel, the 6th angel, 10th angel, and 4th angel are the best you could get out of this. But if you're starting and you're stuck on a stage and you need to get bigger, do this one. You could get the new Ballaluga, the Crow, the Bride. My friend has that on its account, and people that have been telling me that that cat is really good. So is the Grateful King. The cow is not. I've done 3 11 draws on this account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I want to beat something for some content. I know I can't beat this. How about this? I'll beat Wyoming Village. Okay. There we go. Let's try it. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all my super. I have every crazed cat except crazed tank and crazed axe. I will upload some guides on how to beat some stages, which will kind of be helpful. Not really. Yeah, see. In this stage, for some reason, these things are insanely strong, which can just kill them. I'm sure getting the last boss out here. Okay, I stopped one duck from going over. Oh crap, those guys. Right, you're not at my base right away, that's good. Oh, geez. Okay, yeah. No. Stop it with the Zuckies. This is going better than my last attempt. No, Jace, I done. I need Housewife Cat, aka Volter Cat. Some people are like, why don't you continue on some stages? Why don't you continue? Well, the thing about me is I can continue whenever I need to continue. Okay, I'll beat this for you guys. And then I'll upload one video every day. Because I really don't know what to do. Oh great, I'm going. Oh great. I can't even kill this guy. I can't even knock on the front door. I can't do anything to the front door. This is a loss. Why? Oh, I have to do this. In the next video, I'll start off with 11 draw. Well, not in the next video. One video I will start. I'll do some 11 draws. I just don't know how much cat food. Oh, I know I'll need like 3,000, which is a bunch, but it's enough for 2. 11 rows. If I get 3,750, then that's enough for 2 or 3. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, dang. Was that a deadly stage? Let's see. Yep, it was a deadly. I've beaten a few deadly stages, like this one. No, wait. Wrong one, I'm sorry. This one. 8-star deadly.